Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today in this session we are going to discuss artificial intelligence semantic analysis. That is very important topic for your examination. So in this video we will discuss the introduction to semantic analysis with the help of some real life examples. Along with the introduction, I will share with you its key components and some application that will help you get a clear idea about how semantic analysis actually works under AI. So now let's just start the session. So semantic analysis is the process in AI and natural language processing where computers understand the real meaning or real context behind words and sentences. In simple terms, we can say semantic analysis in artificial intelligence means understanding the meaning of words, phrases, or sentences, not just their structure or spelling. In previous sessions under NLP, we have discussed that NLP understands context-free grammars. It understands the structure of the sentence, right? But if we talk about semantic analysis, it always understands the meaning of the word, meaning of the phrases or sentences. It helps machines understand what humans really mean, even if the same word or sentence can have different meanings. Let's take an example first. If I'm writing, he sat by the river bank. If I am writing, he sat by the river bank. That means bank. Bank means side of a river. So a human understands the difference very easily. So semantic analysis helps AI to do the same. We have two meanings of bank, right? First bank can be your financial institution, we can say, and another bank can be your side of river, side of a river. We human can understand the meaning of a particular word by understanding the complete sentence. So semantic analysis in AI helps our computers, helps our machines to understand the clear meaning of that particular given sentence. I hope students everything is clear to you till now. If you have any doubt, you can definitely share in the comment section. I will surely reply. Now let's just talk about some key components. So the first key component we have is word sense disambiguation. Disambiguation. We have one word that is ambiguity. Ambiguity means a word that have multiple meanings, right? So here we have disambiguation. Here deciding, our system decide which meaning of a word is used. If I say he hit the ball with a bat. Here bat means cricket wala bat, right? So automatically we humans can understand the meaning of bat here. So हमारा कंप्यूटर सिस्टम भी AI की हेल्प से इस तरीके से पूरे सेंटेंस का मीनिंग कैलकुलेट कर सके. That's why we use these semantic analysis functions. Is that clear, everyone? Here bat could mean an animal or a sports tool. So we have to differentiate the meaning between these two. So deciding which meaning of a word is used, AI looks at context to understand the correct meaning under your word sense disambiguation component. Another component is named entity recognition. So it identifies name of people, places, organizations, etc. If I'm writing here, let's say Apple is launching a new product. Here Apple means company, not the fruit, right? So named entity recognition. It identifies names of people, places, and organization. Clear? Another type we have is semantic role labeling, simply known as SRL. It tells who did what to whom. I am writing it here. It tells us who did what to whom in a sentence. Who did what to whom in a sentence. For example, Ravi gave a book to Priya. This is an example of semantic role labeling. Here, Ravi is the giver, book is a thing that is given, and Priya is the receiver. So, semantic role labeling. Who is doing what? Ravi is giving a book. Ravi is giving a book to Priya. Clear? Another component is your relationship extraction. So, it finds connection between the words or entities, right? It finds the relationship or connection between words or entities. Like if I am saying कि Aishwarya Rai was born in Haveli. Aishwarya Rai was born in Haveli. So relationship is here is she was born in where? Haveli. In any hospital we can say. This is the relationship between two terms. Another is your lexical semantics. It studies the meaning of word. It studies the meaning of words and how they are related, like their synonyms, antonyms, etc. Clear? Let's take an example here. If I say big or I can say large, general meaning of these two terms are similar, right? But so many times it gives us a different meaning, different context, right? So lexical semantics always studies the meaning of a word and how they are actually related to each other. Clear? Now let's talk about applications of semantic analysis. So here we have first use cases chatbots and virtual assistants. It understands what users mean. We all uses chatbots these days, so there I hope there is no need to elaborate all these points, right? Another we have is search engines, like it shows better results based on the meaning. It shows better results based on the words that you have written over there. Translation tools, it use correct word meaning in the context. Voice assistant like Siri, it understand and respond to the commands. Sentiment analysis, it detects the feeling in the text like reviews. All clear? So now let's just summarize this session. So goal of your semantic analysis is to understand the meaning behind the text. Goal of your semantic analysis is to understand the meaning behind the text. Its main technique is word sense disambiguation, NER and SRL, that we have discussed. Real life use can be your Google search, Alexa, Chat GPT, translation tool. All these are using semantic analysis these days. Now let's talk about some challenges. So words with multiple meanings, sarcasm, contexts, it becomes sometimes difficult to get the proper meaning of such terms, right? So I hope students everything is clear to you. Thanks for watching.